Greetings, Renaissance Schmo, with something different. It is February 21st, 2026. It's like the one nice day we've had here in the Northeast in many, many, many weeks. And we are gonna, here's my reluctant partner, my dog, who wants to go back inside and hibernate. That's not what we're gonna do. We are gonna start our summer gardening project right here, right now in February. We're gonna do this with something new, which is my new composting barrel. So this is going to be about making great soil and going from this and a little bit of yard waste in here to soil. So here I'm gonna prep and load this barrel. You can watch me work for a second, and we'll start the circular economy circulating. Way overthinking this. I'm doing a lot of kind of cutting things up into small pieces. I've got one bag of kitchen waste about this big in there already, and I've done one preliminary tumble with this. Yeah, and so far, yeah, you can see things are getting bound up. So I've been cutting these sticks a little more. I don't know. I'm probably overthinking it first time. Let's see. Hopefully it's not that much work, but this is 37 gallons. I'm working in 1/2 chamber here. So this is, you know, roughly 18.5 gallons. It's only half filled, actually. I'm impressed. It holds more than I thought, at least loose like this. I'm going to put a little soil in now from this old pot, which has been just sitting right here. And therefore it's probably good and ripe. This is the idea of this is sort of starter material. That's sort of already composted, but it should have some microbial goodness in there, right? And let that settle in, and we'll empty the other kitchen garbage. It's been last weekend, so it's all funky, even though it's been outside and freezing weather. Ooh, yeah, it's funky. Doesn't really smell, but all right, it's in there. You can see exactly what we got going on in there, and I'm gonna just keep filling in with these different materials as we go. Just trying to eyeball that 2 to 3 to 1 ratio of brown, woody, lignified material versus the more high nutrient load green waste from the kitchen. Now that's starting to, that's getting to an interesting spot. Let's give it a tumble. What's that look like? Yeah, good. Okay, we're getting somewhere with this, I think. Yeah, cool. Well, okay, this is how we're gonna leave things. It's mostly full. I've spun it a few times. I have a feeling I might have gone a little bit too brown. So I may throw a little more kitchen waste from this weekend in here, but we're just going to keep an eye on it. It's going to go slow because of the temperatures we're expecting. Could be very snowy out here by tomorrow. But we're going to come out here and give the barrel a spin every week or two, and we're going to check on that chamber. If it seems to be doing something, we'll start a second chamber. So there it is, the very beginning of gardening 2026. With a move towards making our own fertile composted soil. Thank you.
Been a long day.